the pain of rejection or the price of who is with us. How did Jesus endure the pain of rejection but not retaliate? Instead, respond with love, not retreat, but instead refuse to give up. So, ganun din tayo, guys. Never give up pag tayo na-reject. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Yan. So, today video guys, ang topic natin ngayon is how to handle or overcome the pain of rejection. Kasi yung part 1 is all about rejection, di ba? So, ngayon naman is how to handle the pain or overcome the rejection. So, rejection is a part of life. We live in a fallen world with hurting humans. We're going to experience rejection. Siyempre, kapag ikay na-reject or if there's a rejection, siyempre, masakit yun, di ba? There's a pain because you are rejected. Pero minsan, ito ay paraan ng ating Panginoon para i-redirect lang yung ating daan. Kasi minsan yung landas natin ay nalilihis na. Parang nire-redirect ka. Kaya ganun, may rejection. So, paano na ba natin i-handle ang rejection and overcome ang pain nito? So, ang una muna guys is acknowledge your feelings. Allow yourself to feel the emotions that come with rejection. Whether it's sadness, anger, or disappointments. So, yun guys, i-allow mo lang yung sarili mo na siyempre natural lang yun, yung galit, yung kalungkutan, tsaka yung disappointment. Sige, i-allow mo lang yung sarili mo, pahintulutan mo lang na malungkot ka. Kasi ganun talaga, it's a part of our life. Kaya, pag natapos naman yan, yung sadness na yan, ayan. Pangalawang step, reframe your perspective. Try to view rejection as a learning opportunity rather than a failure. So, hindi naman ibig sabihin ng na-reject ka, ay isa ka ng talunan or isa ka ng failure. Kasi, malay mo parang isang way lang yan para ma-achieve mo pa yung maganda, as in the best. Kailangan mo pang pagbutihin ang iyong mga gagawin next time or for your next step. Kaya nga, kailangan mong ayusin muli ang perspective mo sa buhay mo. At gawin mo ito para matutunan mo kung anong dapat baguhin sa mga nararanasan mong mga rejection. Malay mo next time, approve ka na. You're accepted. And then, patungo naman tayo sa seek support. Siyempre, ayan, diba? Na-reject ka, ayan, sadness, nararamdaman mo, anger, disappointments, para hindi ka naman malugmok or magmukmok sa isang sulok. Try to talk to your friends or to your family or makipag ka sa mentor para maturuan ka kung ano pang dapat mong gawin. Kaya kailangan meron kang kakausapin. Ganon din kung gusto mong may mentor ka, why not, diba? Try it. Malay mo meron ka pang matutunan sa kanya. At saka syempre, ilalabas mo yung feelings na nararamdaman mo about your rejection. So yun na nga, di ba guys, recognize that rejection is a part of life. So, accept mo yung nangyari. Mas maganda yung i-accept mo yung rejection na nangyari sa'yo kaysa i-deny mo pa, di ba? Kasi mas madali kang, madali mong maidi-deal yung rejection na yun kaysa i-deny mo. At saka madali kang makaka-cope. Lalo na kung lalapit ka sa iyong mga kaibigan, family, and mentor. Siyempre, mayroon yung process ng emotion. Halimbawa, yan sa larangan naman ng relationship or pag-ibig. Yan, may process ang emotion. Rejection, anger, resentment, disappointment, and then, pag nag-heal na yan, ayan, isa ka naman bagong nilalang uli, isa ka naman buo, renewed, and fresh. Kasi na-overcome mo na yung iyong rejection. And then, syempre, hindi porket na-reject ka, ay hahayaan mo nang sakupin, kainin, or lamunin yung sarili mo ng rejection na yan. Treat yourself with kindness. Yan. Hayaan mo yan. Malilipas din. And then, go on with your life. Tuloy lang ang buhay. Treat yourself. Relax. Kung saan mo gusto pumunta, libangin mo yung sarili mo. Magpaganda ka. Learn something new. Diba? Ganun lang yun, guys. Siyempre, next ay stay healthy. Siyempre, diba kasi, nandyan yung stress na. Papabayaan mo na yung sarili mo kasi na-stress ka. Huwag. Stay healthy pa rin. Matulog ka ng maaga. Maintain mo yung healthy lifestyle. Diba? Huwag mong papabayaan ang sarili mo. Maya lulungin mo yung sarili mo, kakatoma ang kakainom. So, stay healthy ka pa rin. Focus rin on a real and good side of life. Next ay, don't allow rejection to define you. So, yun na nga yun, di ba guys? Isipin mo, mahalaga ka, you are valued, you are important, you are worthy, you are loved. Di ba? Ito nga guys, so share ko lang. Hurt begins to control us, poisoning all the relationship around us. Kasi dahil sa rejection na yan, parang nilalason na yung isip mo, kinokontrol ka na. Kaya wag mong hayaan yun. Merong palang nakalaan pala sa iyo ang Panginoong mas the best. Mga sabi niya ay, we are loved, worthy, and accepted. When the pain of past rejection come up, we have the power to declare what God's word says about us. O, diba? As we declare His word over us, we are reminded who we are and whose we are. The word is a shield that quenches the fury of arrow of rejection. So, tandaan natin, hindi lang tayo ang na-reject dati. Kahit ang ating Panginoong Hesus, nung kapanahunan niya, ni-reject din siya. Remember guys, God's plan is bigger and better. His purpose to give us rich and satisfying life. So, yun ang aking share ngayon guys. Don't forget, we are worthy, loved, accepted by our own Creator. So last guys is grow from your experience. So yun guys dahil naranasan mo ng ma-reject, so alam mo na yung gagawin mo. Grow from your experience, okay? Don't let the rejection you became a loser. So, grow from your experience and ayun, God has something the best for you. So, yun lang guys ang aking share ngayong sa video ito. Kung nagustuhan niyo po ito guys, please give it a thumbs up. And subscribe na po kayo sa aking channel sa mga hindi pa nakaka-subscribe. And don't forget, Jesus love you so much. That's all for God. That's all guys. Thank you for watching. Bye. God bless.